Find the sum and product of the roots in each of the polynomials. So this is the first polynomial. Now when we compare this polynomial with a general polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c, we see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c equal to 3. Now sum of roots is alpha plus beta, and alpha plus beta we know is minus b by a. So equal to minus, we see the b is 2 and the a is 1. So that would be b by a. So sum of roots equal to minus 2. Now product of roots is alpha beta, which is c by a. If you look up there, c is 3 and a is 1. So product of roots equal to 3. Here again find the sum and products of roots. So here is a polynomial. We will now compare it with the standard, that is ax square plus by we can put bx plus c. This is our standard. And when we compare, we get a equal to, here is 1, b minus 6, and c is 12. Now to find the product of roots, we know product of roots is alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b by a, which is not sum of roots. So minus, we see b is minus 6. So this would be minus 6 and a is 1. So sum of roots equal to 6. Product of roots alpha beta is c by a. So alpha beta is c is 12, a is 1. So here we have 12 over 1. So alpha beta equals 12. So this is product of roots. And here we have the sum of roots. Again find the sum and product of the zeros. So when we compare it with standard, we see the a equal to 25, b 20, c 7. To find sum of roots, alpha plus beta minus b by a, and alpha beta product of roots c by a. So we put the values. Sum of roots will be minus b is 20, a is 25. So alpha plus beta is minus 20 over 25. Product of roots is c by a, and c we know is 7, a is 25. So product of roots is 7 by 25. Here again we need to find the sum and product of roots. So let's compare with the standard, say ax square plus bx plus y. And when we compare, we get a equal to 1, b minus root 2, of course this is c here, and our c equal to 1 by root over 1, c will be 1 by 3. Sum of roots minus b by a, which is minus, b is minus root 2 over a is 1. So alpha plus beta is plus root 2. And product of roots, that is alpha into beta, is c by a. c is 1 by 3, a is 1. So product of roots is 1 by 3. Here again we need to find the sum and product of roots. So when we compare it with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c, we'll have a equal to under root 3, b equal to 10, C 7 root 3. So product alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, sum of roots. So here minus, we see this is our b and this is our a. So minus 10, b is plus 10, a is root 3. So sum of roots will be minus 10 by root 3. And when we want to find the product of roots, alpha beta is c by a. C is 7 root 3 and a is root 3. So we have c 7 root 3 over root 3. So alpha beta equals to 7. That's product of roots. Here again we need to find sum and product of roots, but notice that the quadratic is not put in order. We need to put it in order, which means we have to find the x squared term first, then the x term, and then 3. Now it's in order. Now when we compare it with ax squared plus bx plus c, we see a equal to 6, b equal to minus 7, c equal to minus 3. To find the sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, is minus b by a. Minus, we see the b is minus 7 and the a is 6. So we have minus of minus 7 over 6. So alpha plus beta is 7 by 6. And alpha into beta, product of roots is c by a. So this is our c and here is our a. So we have equal to c is minus 3 and a is 6. So product of roots will be minus 3 by 6, which is minus 1 by 2. Here again we need to find sum and product. So first we need to find our coefficients a, b, c. So comparing it with the standard equation, we see the a equal to 1, b equal to 3 under root 5 over 2, and c is minus 5. The sum of roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So here is our b and this is our a. So we do minus b. So minus the b is 3 root 5 over 2. A is 1, so divide by 1. So that is minus 3 under root 5 over 2. This would be the sum of roots, that is equal to alpha plus beta. Now to find product of roots, alpha into beta is c by a. C is minus 5 and a is 1. So we have minus 5 by 1. So alpha beta equal to minus 5. So this is product of roots. This is sum of the roots of that quadratic. Here again we need to find the sum and product. So we compare with our standard quadratic, that is ax squared by plus c, and when we compare we find that a equal to 7, b is minus 11 by 3, and c is minus 2 by 3. To find the sum of roots alpha plus beta, the formula is minus b by a, which is equal to minus, and this is our b. So our b is minus 11 by 3. Let's write it again. So this is minus, and our b is minus 11 by 3, and a is 7. So we need to solve this. Minus minus becomes plus 11 by 3 over 7, which means 11 by 3 divided by 7. 11 by 3 into 1 by 7. So it will be 11 over 21, which should be the sum of roots. Now to find the product of roots is alpha into beta, which is c by a. we see our C is, this is our C and here is our A. So C is minus 2 by 3, your A is 7. So you need to solve this up. So you have minus 2 by 3 divide by 7, which is minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 7. So which is minus 2 over 21 will be the product of roots. Let's do the product of roots again. I've been a little untidy on the earlier slide. So we have A was 7, B minus 11 by 3, C minus 2 by 3. And for product alpha into beta is C by A. This is our C and this is our A. So we have minus 2 by 3 is a C, A is 7. So alpha into beta is minus 2 by 3 divide by 7. Minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 7, which is minus 2 over 21.